A new report from the New York Public Interest Research Group Fund is raising questions about drinking water quality in New York State. News Channel 34's Corina Capobianca explains the findings and what recommendations activists are calling for.
It's one of the most basic and critical resources, but representatives from the state government watch group NYPIRG say New York's water supplies are threatened.
We've seen it in instances in communities across the state where drinking water supplies have been threatened either through the industrial waste, things that are happening up in Hoosick Falls, algal blooms that are affecting drinking water supplies in places like Syracuse.
After conducting a new report, they're calling for policymakers to act when it comes to unregulated contaminants. They found that 176 water systems in the state found one or more UCMR3 contaminants. Some of those emerging contaminants include chlorate, chromium, and PFOA.
A lot of these contaminants have many different sources. Some are industrial, some are naturally occurring. And they've been detected in the capital region as well as elsewhere in New York State.
They're calling on the Department of Health to conduct statewide tests of emerging contaminants for every public water system, and they'd like private household wells to be required to be tested as well.
The bottom line is New York State has all of the tools at its disposal to move forward with better protecting drinking water.
According to NYPIRG, 6.4 million New Yorkers drink water that has not been tested for emerging contaminants. At the state capitol, Corina Capobianca.